Hello friend, Toyota RAV 2020. Customer complaint AC does not cooling. When I diagnose the car, the pressure is more than 100 psi. Oh, I remove the compressor. In this video, I will show you how to repair this compressor. No need to change whole compressor. Before the pressure is more than 100 psi, and customer complaint AC does not cooling, does not blowing cold air. I remove the compressor. How to fix? Easy. Toyota RAV 2020. Remove the lock, then little bit WD. Remove dust. Remove the sensor with the help of Phillips screwdriver, two side. Some of them too much tight. This one is loose. Good. Pop up the sensor. This is the sensor. Only need this sensor. Change the sensor and see the result. This is old one. This is new one. Put the oil in the ring. %100% same. Put the oil in the rings. Put back the lock. Cut gaya. Fix the compressor and see the result. On the compressor down 40 and wait 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Pipe is cooling off. The result is good. 35 psi for 100 plus psi. Thank you for watching.